They say cleanliness is next to godliness. So here's a guide on how to clean your room in 2024. But before we dive in, please support our channel by subscribing and sharing this video to your friends. So this is how to clean your room in 2024. First is to pick up the things which is not in their rightful places. These things can be chip bags, dirty clothes, and other things which we can find as a declutter. Then organize them on boxes or on the side, so that we can decide what to keep and what to throw away. Next is remove the web from the ceiling and clean it. After removing those web, to clean the ceiling, you can use a ladder or some kind of things to step in and wipe it with a rub, or you can just vacuum the whole thing if is available. Next is to spray the surface like tables, chairs, walls, ceiling, and even the door. For the spray, you can use any multi-purpose cleaning solution, or you can just make your own solution by mixing some detergent, water, bleach, and baking soda. After that, remove the bed cover and the sheet. Preparation for laundry. By removing the bed cover and the sheet, we can make sure that it will be clean and sanitized the next time we use it. It also prevents the bed from having bedbugs and cockroaches. After removing the cover and the sheet, throw it to your washing machine and wash it. If you don't have a dry cleaner, you can also sun dry it so that it can be ready to be used again. Next is to assemble your bed and sanitize it afterward. One tip is to fluff your pillow so that it can be soft again. Right after laundry and bed making, we can now sweep the floor. You can use a vacuum cleaner or something that can sweep all the dirt out of your bedroom floor. Now, let's clean the mirrors and window. To clean the mirrors and windows, we will be needing three things: a glass cleaning solution or spray, a rug or a rubber sweeper, and a gloves if possible. Start from the middle part outward to maximize the cleaning process of the window and mirror. This step is totally optional. You can skip this if you don't feel modifying your bedroom. What you can do to make over your room is to add or replace furniture, move some furniture or the direction of the bed. Or you can add some lighting like LED lights and night starry light. Organizing the closet is the same as the first step. We will divide our clothes into two groups, which has to keep and to throw away or give to the Goodwill store. This last step will make sure that you will have a spacious selection and an upgrade in terms of fashion, because you'll be shopping after this step. There you have it. Now enjoy your clean and fresh looking bedroom, which I am sure you'll spend most of your time sleeping and doing homeworks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until then, bye.